Hello everyone, this is George here. Today I'm going to introduce you brand new 2023 Blue SL23 mini skid steer loader. This one is a tracked. This one is rated for 800 pounds lift capacity. It's powered by a Bridgestone Professional Vanguard 23 horsepower engine. You can find this engine anywhere, so service won't be a big problems. This unit is 43 inches wide. It does come with 36 if you are interested. It comes with upgrade dual pumps. So this pump is more for your trench, and this pump is more for your other accessory. So this is a pretty cool unit. I'm asking 13 grand. Here's a dashboard, control panel. Here your choke, your oil pressure, your meter hours, your horn, your lights, and your fans. Everything looks pretty good. Here's your throttle. So this one's a little bit different than the Bobcat one. So this one you push both up, go forward, both backward. If you push this one up, this means you turn to the right. Everything assembling pretty nice in my opinion. It does have the cover, but one of those knuckles bust out. Here you can see this is your radiator. Here's our fans. Here's the hydraulic pumps, everything well organized. This one is a gas motor. We do have other attachment in stock as well. So this one is a hydraulic grabber, and I'm going to send a video how to use it. While you operate, all you need to do, this is a battery switch. You turn it on. It'll be a little bit noise, and you turn it on right here. You can see it's 0.6 hours, and you start right up. And this one does use a Toro style attachment.